What is up, guys? My name is Wommack. Welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. Today we're going to take a look at this picture right here, posted on a Instagram page called Vlonevogue. You guys requested this look, that ASAP Rocky look, probably from the LSD video shoot back in the day. You wanted to see how to recreate this, and I will show you how to do that using only your smartphone and the free Lightroom app once again. Now, I've also created a preset on exactly this look. It's on my website. The link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 170 presets for you to easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look great. Most of you already have the pack, so you can start working with this new preset right now. And to the rest of you, I really recommend that pack because every time I create new presets, they're automatically updated. So you will have a growing presets pack and you only have to buy it once. It's a great deal. Link is under this video. Make sure to check it out. Subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and if there's anything you need from me, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle, and I'm trying to reply to every single one of your DMs, and I'm really excited to hear from you. So I'll see you there. Now let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing we want to do, of course, is open our picture in that free Lightroom app. Now, I've chosen this picture right here. Marcelo, you sent me this. Thank you so much for sending this, and we're going to work with this because it comes super close to that Vlonevogue ASAP Rocky base. Now, the first thing we do in the lights tab is go to curve on the upper right side as always, and then we want to pull up the shadows on the bottom left side a little bit and just smoothen it out towards the middle so we have that bow towards the upper highlights, the upper right side. And once you have this as it is right here, we are done. Now what you want to do is just boost up the contrast to around plus 25 right here. The highlights we want to pull down to around negative 20. The shadows we want to boost up to plus 34, 35, and the whites we want to pull down to negative 30 or 31, and the blacks boost them up a little bit to around plus 14 or 15 right here. We go over to the colors tab, we boost the temperature to plus 30 and the tint up a little bit as well to around plus 10. And of course, we want to bring up the saturation a little bit to plus 7 to get those skin tones really popping. Then we're done here. We scroll up, go to grading on top. What you want to do here for the hue, for the shadows, is boost that up to around 90 and the saturation up to around 30 right here. And we're going to get that green into the shadows, which is exactly what we want to get, that kind of disposable camera film effect. The midtones here, we want to leave the hue at 0 red, but the saturation, we want to boost that up a little bit to around 8. And for the highlights, same thing, hue at 0, but saturation up to around 15 to bring some red to the highlights here. Then we are done here. The last thing we do is the effects tab over there. What you do here is just boost up the clarity to around plus 22 and dehaze up to plus 7 right here. And of course, you want to add grain to get that final vintage film effect up to plus, maybe around plus 25 is perfect, and then we are done here. And this is it, guys. Here's a before and after, a quick tutorial once again. And Marcelo, thank you for sending this picture. I hope you're happy with what we did to it. The rest of you guys asked me to recreate that Vlonevogue ASAP Rocky picture. I hope you're happy with this tutorial today. Of course, once again, keep in mind I've created a preset on exactly this look. If you want to save some time or you have troubles following along to the tutorial, download it from my website. The link is under this video. It's in the all presets pack with over 170, now maybe even over 200 presets, and it's growing on a weekly basis. Every time I create new presets, they're automatically updated. So you just have to buy it once and you'll get new presets every week. It's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Of course, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell, and if there's anything you need from me, any questions you have, or just new ideas for new videos, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle, and I'm always excited to hear from you guys, and I'm trying to reply to every single one of your DMs, so feel free to do that. I'll see you there, and I hope I'll see you in the next video as well. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.